We've all seen those life-changing Amazon and Walmart gadgets online, but let's be honest, half of them end up sitting in a kitchen drawer after 3 days. Today, we are changing that. I went down the absolute rabbit hole of viral videos, retailer discounts, and top-rated customer reviews to test and curate 10 genuinely genius home and tech finds that cost under $20 in the US and under £15 in the UK. Every single item on this list solves an annoying everyday problem, saves you money long-term, and is fully available on both sides of the Atlantic. Whether you are looking to upgrade your home setup, streamline your daily chores, or just grab a few clever tools without breaking the bank, these items deliver serious practical value. Our first product is an absolute lifesaver if you regularly buy large 5-gallon water jugs or bring bulk water containers on camping trips. The electric automatic water bottle pump. Pouring from a full 5-gallon jug usually requires serious physical effort, and you almost always end up splashing water all over your counter and floor. This gadget completely eliminates that hassle. You snap the compact unit right over the neck of the bottle, drop the food-grade silicone tube inside, and press the top button to pour fresh water on demand. It features a built-in USB rechargeable battery with a single full charge lasting through roughly 4 to 5 full jugs before needing a quick top-up. It is perfect for kids, older adults, or anyone who wants the convenience of a modern water dispenser without paying hundreds of dollars for a bulky cooler appliance. Next up, if you want your kitchen cabinets, wardrobe, or pantry to look like a custom high-end luxury build without paying thousands for an electrician, check out these rechargeable magnetic motion sensor bar lights. They come equipped with a thin, ultra-strong adhesive magnetic strip that you can stick virtually anywhere, under upper cabinets, inside dark clothes closets along stair treads, or inside hallway pantries. Light bar simply snaps magnetically onto the strip, making mounting completely tool-free. They feature 3 built-in lighting modes: always on, motion sensor, and off. In motion sensor mode, they remain completely off during the day, instantly illuminating when you walk up to them in the dark and automatically shutting off 20 seconds after you leave. When the battery runs low, you do not need to hunt down spare AA batteries. You simply detach the light bar from its magnetic mount, plug it into a standard USB cable for an hour, and snap it right back into place. Moving on to daily tech maintenance. We touch our smartphones thousands of times a day, meaning your screen accumulates grease, facial oils, and dust at an alarming rate. Most people default to wiping their screens on their shirts, which usually just smears the oils around and creates blurry streaks. This genius solution is an all-in-one screen cleaner spray block. The design is brilliantly compact. It features a refillable spray bottle housed inside a sleek rectangular body wrapped entirely in premium microfiber cloth. You simply mist your phone, tablet, laptop, monitor, or car touchscreen, and then use the flat side of the container itself as an eraser to clear away all finger oils and smudges in 2 quick passes. It even comes with a clear plastic outer shell to keep the microfiber surface clean and dust-free when tossed inside your backpack, purse, or glove box. To save money on groceries and banish single-use plastic cling wrapped from your kitchen forever, consider investing in a set of universal stretch silicone storage lids. A single pack includes anywhere from 6 to 12 different sizes, ranging from tiny covers small enough to seal a cut lemon, avocado, or open glass jar, all the way up to large covers capable of stretching over salad bowls, baking dishes, and half-eaten watermelons. Unlike traditional plastic wrap that refuses to stick to plates, these silicone lids stretch over containers of virtually any shape, round, square, or oval, and pull tight to create a completely airtight, leak-proof vacuum seal. Can even store liquid-filled containers on their side or hold a filled bowl upside down without worrying about drips. They are heat-resistant, microwave-safe, dishwasher-safe, freezer-safe, and infinitely reusable, meaning they easily pay for themselves within a few months of avoiding rolls of aluminum foil and plastic film. If you have ever had to perform the frustrating and painful jar dance, banging a stubborn glass jar on the counter, running it under boiling water, or wrapping rubber bands around the lid just to open some pasta sauce, you need to add the Jarkey vacuum lid opener to your kitchen drawer. Unlike bulky rubber strap wrenches or heavy mechanical grippers that require significant wrist strength, this small tool operates on simple lever physics. You place the edge under the rim of any standard vacuum-sealed glass jar lid and lift gently. The tool pops the tin rim outward by a fraction of a millimeter, breaking the factory vacuum seal with a sharp, satisfying popping sound. Once the air pressure neutralizes, the jar lid unscrews effortlessly with one finger. Because it does not deform or bend the metal, your jar lids remain completely intact, so you can reuse the glass jars for food storage. Finding effective home safety tools under $20 can be tricky, but this heavy-duty travel door stop alarm is brilliant in its simplicity. On the surface, it functions as a standard heavy-duty wedge doorstop with a non-skid rubber base that physically wedges beneath any inward swinging door, making it extremely difficult for anyone to force their way in. However, embedded inside the wedge is a high-volume, battery-powered 120 decibel siren. If an intruder attempts to push the door open from the outside. The downward force presses against a stainless steel pressure plate on top of the wedge, instantly triggering the loud security alarm. The siren is easily loud enough to wake up an entire floor, alert neighbors, and immediately scare away unwelcome visitors. It requires zero wiring, screws, or setup, making it an absolute essential for college students in dorms, travelers staying in hotels or rentals, and renters looking for added peace of mind. Our next find looks like a bright toy, but it is actually one of the most practical cleaning accessories ever invented for car interiors and workspace electronics. Universal Cleaning Gel Putty. Car dashboard air vents, steering wheel seams, center consoles, and computer keyboards are notorious for collecting dust, hair, and crumbs in tight crevices where traditional microfiber rags, dusters, and vacuum attachments simply cannot reach. You take a ball of this soft, non-sticky gel, press it firmly into the dirty seams or between keyboard keys, and lift it back up. Soft gel flexes directly into every tiny gap, trapping dirt, dust, and crumbs inside its body without leaving sticky residue behind on your surface. It is reusable straight out of the tub until the gel gradually darkens to a deep gray, making it a bargain for auto detailing and home office upkeep. For anyone who loves cooking, baking, or air frying at home, this 2-in-1 glass oil sprayer and dispenser bottle is a massive upgrade over basic store-bought options. Standard aerosol cooking sprays rely on chemical propellants like butane or propane, which can strip non-stick coatings off cookware over time and build up sticky, burnt residue on baking sheets. Buying your favorite olive or avocado oil in bulk is both healthier and vastly cheaper, but traditional pour bottles make it hard to control your dosage. This heavy-duty glass bottle solves both problems by featuring a dual-action lid mechanism. You can tilt the bottle to pour a smooth, controlled stream of oil into a pan, or squeeze the ergonomic trigger handle to spray a pressurized fine mist evenly over vegetables, meats, or air fryer baskets. It helps you cut down on unnecessary calories, keeps your cooktop clean, and looks sleek sitting on your counter. In older houses and apartments, wall outlets are almost never located where you actually need them, leading to messy power strips and tangled cords. A multi-plug wall outlet extender converts a standard double wall socket into a fully functional charging hub for all your electronics. These compact devices plug directly into your existing wall socket, expanding it into multiple widely spaced AC outlets, along with integrated high-speed USB-A and USB-C charging ports. The outlets are intelligently arranged around the top, sides, and front of the block, rather than packed closely together in a line, allowing you to plug in large power adapters and transformer bricks without blocking neighboring sockets. Many models also include built-in surge protection status lights and subtle nightlights, making them an incredible addition for home office desks, living room entertainment centers, and bedside nightstands. Finally, our 10th find targets an annoying physical chore that almost everyone secretly loathes: changing fitted bed sheets and lifting heavy, awkward mattresses. The mattress lifter and sheet tucker tool is a smooth, wedge-shaped paddle designed to take the physical strain out of making your bed. Trying to tuck sheets under a heavy memory foam or inner spring mattress often results in strained back muscles, bent wrists, and chipped fingernails. To use this tool, you simply slide the wedge between the mattress and the box spring or bed frame. As you push it inward, a smooth incline lifts and holds the mattress in an elevated position hands-free, giving you plenty of clearance to slide your sheets underneath. You can then use the flat, smooth edge of the paddle to push sheets neatly into place, creating tight, hotel-quality corners in seconds without taking on heavy lifting. There you have it, 10 genius Amazon and Walmart finds under $20 that solve real everyday problems and genuinely deliver on their promises. Every single item featured today proves that you do not need to spend a fortune to upgrade your home, save time on daily chores, or organize your space. Make sure to check out the direct links in the description below to grab your favorite items. Leave a comment letting me know which gadget caught your eye, and hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly tech and home roundups.